Hello, welcome back. In this video, we are going to learn about data flow. So let's look at the agenda. We are going to learn about the simplex mode of data flow, then half-duplex mode of data flow. After that, full-duplex mode of data flow. Data flow basically means the transfer of information from one device to the other by different methods of communication. Now, what are these methods of communication? One method of communication is simplex, the other one is half-duplex, and the third one is full-duplex. Let's understand how data flow takes place in simplex mode of communication. So, simplex mode of communication is basically a one-way communication between two parties. So, one sender and one receiver must be present. The sender always sends data and the receiver always receives. So, the sender in no case can receive data and the receiver in no case can send data. Let us look at the simplex way of communication with the help of this diagram. This is the flow diagram of simplex mode of communication. We can see here there is a sender S and there is a receiver R, and in between them there is a channel or a link or a transmission medium through which data can flow. But this data flow is unidirectional in nature. You can see here that this data may be in small sized packets consisting of few bytes of information can flow only in one direction from the sender to the receiver. So the sender always sends and the receiver always receives. So one example of a simplex mode of communication is that between the CPU and the monitor. We know that the CPU always sends data to the monitor and the monitor always receives data and showcases this data through its graphics. But in no case can the monitor send data to the CPU. So this is a no. And in no case can the CPU receive the data. So this is simplex mode of communication. Let us now concentrate on half-duplex mode of communication. Half-duplex mode of communication is a two-way communication between two parties. But here both the sender and the receiver can send as well as receive, but not simultaneously. This is an example of data flow in half-duplex mode of communication. We see here that there is a station A which can act as a sender or a receiver, and there is a station B which can also act as a sender and a receiver. At one point of time, station A is sending data in this direction to station B and at time TA, let's say. During this interval of time, station B only receives data and station A only sends data. At a different interval of time, let's say at time TB, station B can send data in this direction and station A can receive the data in this direction. That is the reason it is known as half-duplex mode of communication. Duplex means both-way communication, but it is half-duplex because both-way communication cannot take place simultaneously. Let us now concentrate on full-duplex mode of communication. Full-duplex mode of communication is also a two-way communication between two parties. Both the stations can send as well as receive, but in this case simultaneously. This is an example of full-duplex mode of communication, and here let's say we have a station A and a station B. Station A can send data as well as receive data at all times. At the same time, station B can send data and receive data at all the times. And it is given by this bidirectional arrow. One example of full-duplex communication is telephone. Here, both the subscribers, subscriber A and subscriber B, can connect with one another and can talk over the communication link all the times and simultaneously. Here I come to the end of this video. In this video, we have learned about data flow. Data flow means mode of transfer of information between two entities. Now we have seen there are different types of data flow. We have looked into simplex mode of communication. We have looked into half-duplex mode of communication. And lastly, we have looked into full-duplex mode of communication. We have seen that for simplex mode of communication, data flow takes place only in one direction. There is only one sender and one receiver. The example we have seen from CPU to monitor. For half-duplex mode of communication, it is a two-way communication between two parties but not simultaneously. For full-duplex mode of communication, we have seen that it is also a two-way communication and it is simultaneously. Now for full-duplex mode of communication, example we have seen the telephone communication. And for half-duplex, one example can be walkie-talkie. Thank you.